Hey everybody, John with Modlite here, giving you guys a quick product overview on the all-new PL350C. Alright guys, so first, let's talk about what this light is capable of. With the all-new amp emitter, you're going to get 18,000 candela and 876 lumens. In comparison to the original PL350, PL350C is 12% shorter. As you can see here on this Glock 19, it only extends past this compensator by about half an inch. What's great about this new light is the head will work on all of our other light bodies. So if you have an original PL350 and you want to swap it out for a smaller head, you can easily do so. This is the kind of setup that would make it really easy to go from an OWB setup to an EDC setup just by switching your light head. So when it comes to the new light body, there's only a couple of small differences. Functionally, they're the exact same with the same switch. You'll see that the new body has 2 slots for the lug instead of just 1, and is aesthetically different with some material taken away on the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions. The modularity of the lug system is really cool because it allows you to move the light ever so slightly forward or backward to put the switch in an ideal position depending on your hand size. Alright guys, let's quickly go over holster compatibility. These 2 holsters were made by Works for the PL350C at launch. This one's for the Glock 19. And this one's for the PDP. If you have an older holster and you used to use the PL350, make sure to check with your holster manufacturer to see if the new body and new head will fit. I'll show you guys an example of a holster that used to be used with the PL350 and actually works with the new body and head. This is a Safariland 6390 RDS, OWB style. Works great. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoy your PL350C, and if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below.